Hello everyone, we're back with another video of Inktober challenge. For the first few days, I still don't have an instant idea of what I'm going to draw, so I stick with some simple and not so complicated illustrations. While I'm progressing, I started to experiment more and I also use different types of mediums, from gel pens to different colored pens, markers, and watercolor for shading. I also started to plan what I wanted to draw, and so far I really like how my illustrations are turning out. Let's now talk about the current prompt, which is chicken. And the first thing that comes into my mind was, did you already guessed it? This was inspired by PUBG, yes, the Battle Royale game. You'll know what I'm talking about if you are a gamer. I simply used a gel pen here and just work with my lines and still hatching. Day 6, Drawing. This is where I started to experiment with the illustrations. I used big ball pens in black and green. Using these colors, plus the color blocking on the background, somehow made the frog a 3D look. Ain't that frog drawing galaxy cute? Day 7, Exhausted. On this day, I decided that I wanted to draw a more detailed illustration. This was inspired by one of my favorite anime. This is based from the character of Steven Starface. Comment down below if you recognize him. I used micron pens and watercolor for this one. Again, I tried to make a perspective in here using dark to light shade of watercolor for the background. I still have a lot to learn, but we'll get there slowly but surely. Day 8 Star. For this illustration, I wanted to create a little star fairy. I think one of the frustration while doing Inktober was looking at the works of other artists. I wanted to create a more unique illustrations, but I can honestly say that while I'm doing this certain drawing, my mind was unconsciously influenced by Carrie J's work, which I really love all her works. It's not a bad thing, but I wanted to create a more original drawing to challenge myself. One of the reasons why I decided to join this challenge is I want to improve myself in terms of my art. I will create a different video with what I learned and how was my experience with this whole challenge. Make sure to check it at the end. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to tag me photos or message me your drawing on Instagram if you have one. I'd love to see your works definitely. Also, follow me on Facebook and Twitter for more updates. I'll see you on the next video. Have fun everyone and have a great day.